Hi everybody, just thought I'd do a couple of harder questions here from question 14. So we're in the review questions section. Okay, so a couple of harder questions from that. So let's see how we go. I've selected questions A and F from that section. Okay, let's start with question A. And first thing we've got to do, oops, I'll go back, sorry. Here we go. First question I'm going to start with is question A. So what we're going to do here first up is remove the brackets. Okay, so we've got, if we remove the brackets, remember we've got to multiply what's outside by what's inside. So we're going to multiply the 5 by the x and the 5 by the -2. And over here we've got to multiply the 3 by the x and the 3 by the +2. So start with here, we get 5x minus 10. Remove the brackets there, and over here we get plus 3x plus 6 equals 0. Now remember, what we can do now is we can collect like terms. So if I just use my colours for a moment, if I put a red circle around the x's, and then I put a green circle around the numbers, we've got to treat them separately. All right, so let's start with the letters, the x's. We've got 5x plus 3x, which gives us 8x. Then we've got -10 plus 6, which is -4 or -4, equals 0. All right? Now, we've got to get x by itself. So what we do now is we can, to get rid of the -4, we plus 4 from both sides. Equals 0 plus 4. That gives us 8x equals 0 plus 4 is 4. Then, to get x by itself, we divide both sides by 8, like so, and cancel the 8s out now. X equals 4 on 8. Now 4 goes into both of those numbers. 4 into 4 goes once. 4 into 8 goes twice. So we get x equals 1 over 2. That's the answer to question A. All right. Let's have a look now. Let's draw a bit of a line there to separate them, so you can see it easily. Okay, let's have a look now at question F. Once again, let's remove the brackets first up. So removing the brackets, that times that times that, and that times that, and that times that. So 3 times x is 3x. 3 times +1 is 3, plus 6 times x is 6x. 6 times 5 is +30, equals 3x plus 40. Won't do too many steps at once. Just leave that as it is. So step 1 there is, if I give it a tick, that's removing the brackets. Step 2 is to collect like terms. So here I've got 3x plus 6x. That gives 9x. I've got 3 plus 30. That's plus 33. Equals 3x plus 40. Okay, so change sides, change signs. I'm going to take the 3x over here on the right-hand side and move it to the left, and make it a -3x. I'm going to leave the +40 on the right-hand side, so it stays where it is. I'm going to bring this +33 over and make it -33. So anything that's gone from right to left or left to right has changed its sign. And what I've done is I've got all the x's on the left. 9x minus 3x is 6x. All the numbers on the right, 40 minus 33, and that's 7. I've now got 6x equals 7. Divide both sides by 6. And the 6's cancel there and there. X equals 7 on 6. That can't be cancelled any further, so that's our answer. So there's a couple of harder questions on equations from our review section. Hope that's of assistance.